Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're reviewing an exciting product that will help keep your vehicle cool during those hot summer days. We found this product online and have added a link in the description below so you can check its latest price and availability. Let's dive into the Autoamerics 2-piece Windshield Sun Shade, a holographic foldable car sunshade designed for most cars, SUVs, and trucks. If you've ever stepped into a car that's been parked under the sun for hours, you know how unbearable the heat can get. The Autoamerics Sunshade aims to change that experience with its market-leading sun protection and striking holographic design. One of the standout features of this sunshade is its innovative two-piece design. Measuring 28 by 31 inches, each piece is tailored to fit a variety of vehicles, from standard cars to mid-size SUVs and trucks. This versatility means you can install the sunshade either horizontally or vertically, ensuring it fits perfectly no matter what you drive. This thoughtful design provides comprehensive protection for your dashboard, steering wheel, and seats, preventing them from overheating and fading. Now, let's talk about the materials. The Autoamerics Sunshade is crafted from high-density UV reflective material, reinforced with high-strength ductile wire. This means it's not only durable but also highly effective at blocking out those scorching hot UV rays. The combination of these materials and the innovative design work together to deliver outstanding heat-blocking capabilities, making it one of the most effective sunshades available today. But who is this product suitable for? If you're someone who spends a lot of time in your vehicle, whether commuting, running errands, or traveling, you'll appreciate the comfort that this sunshade brings. It's especially beneficial for parents with young children or anyone who regularly carries pets in their car. Protecting your vehicle's interior from excessive heat is crucial for the longevity of your upholstery and dashboard, and the Autoamerics Sunshade does just that. So, how practical is this sunshade in everyday use? Picture this: you're out and about, running errands on a scorching summer day. You park your car in the sun, and when you return, the interior is uncomfortably hot. With the Autoamerics Sunshade in place, you can step back into a cooler, more pleasant environment. Plus, installation is a breeze. You simply slide the sunshade into place above your dashboard, and when you're done, it folds up easily for storage in the included travel bag. Another great bonus that comes with this product is the anti-slip dashboard pad. This nifty addition helps keep your change, cell phone, sunglasses, and other small items organized and secure while you're driving. No more searching for your belongings while navigating the road. To sum it up, the Autoamerics 2-piece Windshield Sun Shade combines practicality with high-quality materials and an eye-catching design. It's perfect for anyone looking to protect their vehicle from heat and UV rays, making your driving experience much more comfortable. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.